So I have a 2009 Honda Fit. This might help somebody, whoever's watching this. I had a popping noise in the steering. Whenever you turn the wheel like this, it would pop really loud, and sometimes it would do it, sometimes it wouldn't. But there was actually no drivability complaints with the car outside that noise. You really didn't hear it when you was, on the highway. You'd only hear it maybe around slow turns or only at slow speeds. And I had another shop, and they told me that the power steering rack was actually binding up internally, and did some research and found out that part cost $1,700 before labor and tax and all that. And so I did some digging of my own, happened to take the front wheels off, and I saw that the front stabilizer bars, the links, they it's like a ball in a socket type thing, and they were completely frozen. So whenever I turned the wheel, that stabilizer link is actually connected to the top of the strut and then goes down the actual stabilizer bar. They were completely frozen solid. Changed them out, haven't had a problem since. So if you have the same problem like I did, that's the first thing I would check for. I hope this helps somebody.